concept we're exploring here can be likened to a sophisticated neural interface, akin to a high-tech headset that enables interaction within a highly complex simulation. This interface, which encompasses all forms of life, humans, plants, animals, acts as a filter, condensing the vast, nearly infinite spectrum of potential experiences into a more comprehensible reality. Delving deeper into the science behind this, it's fascinating to note that human perception is limited to approximately 0.0035% of the electromagnetic spectrum, which represents the tiny fraction of visible light that our eyes can detect. Essentially, the reality we perceive is a minuscule subset of the full range of electromagnetic radiation. Given that all physical matter is composed of photons, quantized units of light, our sensory experience of the universe is confined to a mere fraction of what actually exists. This raises intriguing questions about the nature of perception and reality, particularly when considering ancient cultural references to phenomena like the third eye, or individuals with heightened sensory abilities. These could potentially be understood as variations in how the brain processes or perceives information beyond the standard sensory modalities, perhaps akin to accessing different layers or dimensions of the interface. In this context, our existence in the three-dimensional 3D world can be seen as engaging with a specific level of this interface, analogous to operating within a limited user interface on a computer. Just as most users interact with software without understanding the underlying code, algorithms, or the binary data that powers the system, we navigate life without perceiving the deeper structures that constitute reality, such as higher dimensional spaces or non-visible forms of energy. The analogy extends further when considering the broader structure of the universe, which may encompass additional dimensions, fourth, fifth, sixth, and beyond. Phenomena like ghost sightings, experiences of otherworldly entities, or even altered states of consciousness could be interpreted as temporary fluctuations or shifts within this vast, multi-layered interface, revealing glimpses of realities typically hidden from our limited perception. Ultimately, this complex system of filters and interfaces allows for a coherent experience by simplifying the overwhelming amount of data that exists beyond our immediate sensory reach. Without these perceptual constraints, the sheer complexity of the universe might be incomprehensible, much like trying to interact with a computer system without the simplifications provided by modern user interfaces. This reduction of truth to a manageable level is crucial for creating a stable and functional experience within the simulation we call reality.